Please check the packaging for damage before starting. List of accessories: motor, blade, adapter, remote control, nettle basement, screw kit, warranty card, certificate of conformity, user manual. Install blades on the motor first. The fan blades and the motor are marked with the A and B respectively. Screw on the smaller screws after matching the letters. This step is important, otherwise, it is easy to damage the motor. Then, use the metal basement to install fans wherever you want to use it. Secure the metal basement with expansion screws or common screws. Once it's secured, install the fan. Use a bigger screw to secure the fan and then power up for normal use.